Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to create 3D object like this. Again we are using canvas for dimensions. So let's start. Here we have blank sketch. First we have imported this canvas and now we can calibrate it. So we can use, this is 168, so we can click here and then here, and now we can type 168 and now it should be calibrated. Okay, then we can move it a little bit like, let's say like that, and then we can create new sketch. We can just press R and then click here. Then we can start drawing this thing. So we can draw a circle here and it's 57.2. Then we can draw a construction line 57.5 and other construction line 140.5. Okay, now we can draw other circles. Press X for construction line. And this one is 28 and this one is 36. Okay, then we got draw this line here, so let's create construction line like that, and dimension of this is 60. Then again line, we can change this normal and press D for dimension tool and 168. Now we can attach this line here using this midpoint constraint. Click here and then this point, and now it's there mid. Then we can draw these lines here, that and that, there and there. Now we can change this and this to normal, and this is 24 and this one is same, so we can use equal tool and click here and then here. Now they're same dimension. Then we can draw this, goes like that, and then same thing here. Now we can add these dimensions here, so it says it's 21.4 there, so we can draw here like that and then same thing here. Now we can use point here and here. We can change this construction lines, and now we can click here, press D and here, and we can select this 21.4 and same thing here, 21.4, and we can change this normal. Okay, and then we could draw this arc here. This slot first, let's create that. So we can use this center point arc slot, and then we click here, then we click here and then here and like that. Now it says dimension is 14 there, so click here and D and here and just type 14, and then it says 28, so click here and there, type 28. And now this thing is blue because we can move it. So just draw a construction line again. Click there and then, and now we can change it construction. And then we use this constraint, so it's horizontal and here. So now it's not blue, so it's all constraint. Then we could start drawing these arcs here. So let's start here. So it's center point arc, and it goes like that. And again we need this construction lines here. So it's now there, and it's air 31.6. 1.6. I could move this little bit because that keyboard thing is there. And then we would just draw these lines like that and that. Then change this construction. And then we have again used arc tool here and there. So we can do it like this. Let's again use center point arc and click somewhere there, and it's a bit annoying, but and change these normal lines, and it says it's 60, so let's type here 60 and here 6, no, not 6, or we can use that equal tool again, so it's not so. So now they are about 60. Sometimes that is a bit annoying. Then let's just draw them there. And here we have so we need again this arc tool. And then normal, and so here it says it's 14, so click here and here. This one is 14, and here it's 14. Okay, so now that's there. And then we can click here, there and there, and so we can see that's not looking good, so that's tangent line again. I click here and there, and this is tangent also, and same thing here and there and then there. Okay, now it's looking a lot of better. So then this thing should be here, so click there and then here, and same here and there. And now it's looking already good. Only thing we have to do is add this fillet here. So we can use this, and that's just click here and then there, and now it's 10. Set there, this other, and then I'm not sure if that's normal, but you can hold this mouse button left and draw like that, and it repeats function. You can also do it faster like just that, and it's gesture. So you can use this same tool again and again. There is something missing, so there should be 24 and then again here and there. So now it's all done. Yeah, thank you for watching.